want to reuse an MC connector, you just put the snap ring back on, but you have to make sure it is in the right direction. So when you put this into the box, the tabs are facing up, so it holds it to the box. So to reuse it, all you're gonna do is put it back on. If it's a little mangled, all you do is take your channel locks, push it back together, or you can take it off and then push it back together so it kind of gets back into place, and then push it back on, and then go ahead and reuse it just like that. If it's not too mangled, you can go ahead and use the pinch method again. I like that, really just no effort on that. So there you go, reusing an MC connector, just like that. And of course, you'll learn to get faster with this, so it's gonna be faster than what I just did. Obviously, I haven't done this in a really long time, but. All right guys, so that's how you reuse an MC connector. Just put the snap ring back on, put your MC connector back in the box, and you're good to go. Hopefully you guys learned something in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless, have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys, peace.